In order to overcome the world's unprecedented COVID-19, we established Microclean Company, a mask manufacturer, in March 2020. Our company is located in Pyeongtaek, in Gyeonggi-do. The 3,500 square meter factory site is equipped with state-of-the-art clean rooms and automation equipment measuring 1,900 square meters. A CleanRoom is a clean space that controls pollution by adjusting the concentration of particles in the air within the limit. World's highest quality. Maintaining the best quality. All materials to finished products. All processes are carried out in the CleanRoom. Air resistance test. We will proceed transparently and safely to produce the world's highest quality masks. Our business is the world's highest quality 3D mask and dental mask manufacturing. We will do our best to produce a more hygienic and pleasant mask. Certificate Kiwa, ISO 9001, 2015. KF94, KF80, KF80 Food and Drug Administration License products. US Food and Drug Administration, Certificate of Registration. Materials, parts, and equipment of all products use authorized safe products, and from warehousing to shipping of all subsidiary materials. All processes are carried out in the clean room. All products are licensed by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, and we produce various products such as KF94, KF80, KF80, dental mask and child mask. Visual inspection. Tensile inspection. Visual confirmation. Product packaging. Sealing marking operation. World's best, reliable, and usable and age-lin masks are essential. I'll make a product. I will always invest in Microclean, and do my best and work hard.
마이크로!